Welcome to our latest update on the world of Frozen at Disneyland Paris. Construction is moving full steam ahead, bringing the magic of Arendelle to life like never before. The towering mountain range will soon become the backdrop to Elsa's iconic ice palace. The rockwork is taking shape beautifully, with impressive detail that promises to immerse guests in the Frozen universe. Down below, the charming village of Arendelle is coming to life. These buildings will be home to shops, restaurants, and character meet and greets. Every element is being crafted with meticulous attention to detail to recreate the beloved setting from the films. The centerpiece of the world of Frozen will be its thrilling boat ride, designed to transport guests on a journey through Arendelle's most memorable moments. Current progress shows ride infrastructure coming together, ensuring a smooth and magical experience. Teams of dedicated Imagineers and construction workers are putting their hearts into bringing this land to life. Their passion for storytelling and innovation is what makes Disney magic so special. When completed, the world of Frozen will seamlessly blend cutting-edge technology with timeless storytelling. From Elsa's ice powers to Anna's warm and welcoming spirit, every detail is designed to transport guests straight into the heart of the story. If all goes well, World of Frozen will open its doors in 2026. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the grand opening. The World of Frozen promises to be an unforgettable journey for all ages. Until next time, keep dreaming and believing in the magic.
This is where the movies are celebrated. It's premiere night.
We're extending the story beyond the street itself.
As we say, the Hollywood that never was, but always will be. Hello, my name is Andy Martin. I'm a creative director here at Walt Disney Imagineering in Paris, and I'm responsible for the artistic and creative direction of World Premiere. So World Premiere is essentially Act 2 in a 3-act play with our new narrative for the park. So you step into the park, this is where the movies are made. Coming into World Premiere, this is where the movies are celebrated. It's premiere night. And then walking through the Disney Theater, that's where you're going to be able to experience the various movies and stories inside the immersive worlds inside of our park. So World Premiere is an ambitious transformation of what was Studio One. Studio One used to take you behind the scenes of movie-making magic, and with World Premiere, we are transporting you to Hollywood on premiere night under a beautiful starry night. As we say, the Hollywood that never was, but always will be. And there's so much to do here in World Premiere. You'll be able to dine under the stars at the Hollywood Gardens restaurant, grab a snack or a refreshment over at Searchlight, or go shopping and pick up a favorite souvenir at the Mickey's of Hollywood boutique.
Hello, my name is Bowie Faz and I'm a creative producer here at Walt Disney Imagineering Paris. Of course, with the direction of the park to create immersive worlds, World Premiere couldn't be left out. We're doing a variety of things to make you feel as if you're on a street in Los Angeles in an always nighttime event. So we're introducing a Los Angeles skyline that will augment with projections. You might see an airplane take off, you might see fireworks in the distance, you might see a neon sign blinking to create a sense of immersion.
Now, although our story is set today, we are really inspired by that classical romantic style of some of Hollywood's most famous buildings, and we really wanted to capture them down to a very authentic detail. And that includes the tactile quality. You'll be able to come up to the Disney Studios building from Burbank, touch the facade, and it will feel just like the facade does over at our Burbank studios.
One of the biggest challenges that we have here at World Premiere is that we have just 1 year from closure to reopening as World Premiere. And with that comes that we need to strategize accordingly. So this meant that a lot of the sets had to be made completely prefab.
I thought one of the most rewarding parts of the project is all of these incredible facades you see around me being brought into the building and assembled like a jigsaw puzzle.
We cannot wait to roll out the red carpet and invite you to World Premiere next spring.